Sometimes when you bring images into Microsoft Word, they'll be upside down, or you'll just need to manipulate them and rotate them inside Word. So as always, if I need help with something, I can visit the TAFE Tasmania creativearts.com website, and I can choose from my menu items down the side here on the left, or I can choose from any of the handouts that I'm interested in. So for this particular one, we're looking at rotating images in Microsoft Word, so I can select it here on the left, or I can select it here from the main body of the website, or I can click down here. So I think I might do it here today. This opens up a page that gives you kind of the shortcut version of the handout, just the text. If you follow that along, you'll be able to successfully rotate an image. You might need to watch a video, which you're currently watching, or you can click on this little tab here that says download the handout here. If we click that, it opens in a new window. This handout can be printed off, it can be viewed on an iPad or on your computer, and it can be followed along, and this basically gives us the instructions on how we need to, or what we need to do to rotate an image. Here's the icons up in the corner here if you wanted to save or print that. I'm just going to move it over here. Right. So we will also need to have Microsoft Word open. So here we go, there's Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word can look different depending on which version you have. I've got Word 2013 and it will look fairly similar to yours, I'm sure. First thing I need to do is actually put an image in that I need to manipulate. This is covered in a separate tutorial, but let's just do it very quickly. We insert picture, and I'm going to insert an upside down picture because I obviously want to teach you how to rotate something. So now that this image is in, what I need to do is I need to click the image. Clicking this image will create a bounding box around it with these little white squares in each corner, which basically mean you can manipulate this now. If you're using Word 2010, which I think you might be, this little thing in the middle here will be a green dot, and what you need to do is hover over this green dot inside your Word. What I'm going to do is hover over it. It's a slightly different looking icon. Mine actually shows me that this is going to be the rotate icon. So yours will be a green dot. You hover over the top, and then what you need to do is click your mouse and drag it, and this means that you'll be able to rotate your image around. Okay, you'll get the same option inside yours. You might just look slightly differently to mine. So this is how we rotate objects. If we were just doing a straight rotation, so 90 degrees or 45 degrees or 180 degrees, if we hold down the shift key at the same time as rotating, it will just go around in degrees, in increments of 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do is do it like that, and then when I'm finished I can just let go of the mouse button, click out of the image, and it's all sorted. That image is now rotated. That's just what I was after. So I hope this helps.